Hello, are you hungry for food but don't actually want to make food? Come with me. Today we're gonna make chickpeas that are really crunchy. As you can see here, we already have the chickpeas shelled and oiled. Now we're just gonna put them in the oven. Come with me. Oh, onion basket. We got basketed. You know what that means. In the oven they go. Bake at 350 degrees. Start cold. That's what we always do. 30-second timer. That's the best. Plus 29 minutes and 30 seconds. There we go. See you soon. Bye-bye. All right. Almost there. Great stuff. This next part is so important. It's the most important part of the recipe. Make sure after baking at 350 degrees for 30 minutes, you turn it off. But not yet. We're not opening this hatch. We're waiting another hour. So again, most important part of making this recipe, we're gonna do nothing at all. Thanks so much. Let's take a moment to talk about our sponsors. If you want to have an athletic body like me, you need to drink your AG1 every morning, just like Joe Rogan does. Let's go. All right. Time to get them out of the oven. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, put them in this bowl here. What are we gonna do next? We're gonna season these puppies with nothing other than this stuff. Horseradish and garlic. Let's go. Into the bowl. Season it liberally like Joe Biden. Yeah, get a good mix. Delish. Look at that puppy. Honestly, real crunchy. All right. Now that we got this done, I hope everyone makes this recipe and enjoys it. Come on, girls. Come get your food. Yum. Oh, finish it up? All right. Well, thanks again for joining. Just want to say another shout out to our sponsors, LifeLock. Protect your personal finances like you do your virginity. Like and subscribe.